Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Dogman FJ. I'm going to take a quick look at a case for the Pixel 6. Now this case is made by Encased. I've used them before, but this one is a little different design. I haven't used this design before from Encased. I thought it was interesting. Let's go ahead and get started and check it out. Now you can get this case from Amazon. It's the Encased Slimline designed for Google Pixel 6 belt clip case with kickstand. All right, ultra thin case with holster. All right, so I like it that the case is thin and you got a holster to put it in. So I've used similar type cases and holsters on other phones, but not the Pixel 6. Nice kickstand right there. We'll see how that looks when we take it out the package. For the Pixel 6, not the Pixel 6 Pro, I'm sure they make one for that as well. Reinforced belt clip. And they make pretty good holsters there. This is a picture of the case right here. Another case sliding in and out of the holster, slides in and out from the top to bottom. And this is how it looks on your belt, all right? $14.59 is on Prime. I'll put the link in the description for if you want to get it. Okay, this is the Encased packaging right here. Normal, this is normal for them. Premium protection. Encased promise, happiness guarantee, all that stuff. All right, let's pull this out. Okay, you got a little warning card right there, and you got to activate your lifetime warranty there if you want to. Welcome aboard. Fun is just about to begin. Let's put this to the side. All right, so here's the case in the holster. All right, nice. It's got a matte finish, and it's a nice looking finish. You get a kickstand right there, and it's a solid kickstand as well, not flimsy. And it's got a magnet in there. It goes in there pretty nicely. All right, here's the holster. You got 180-degree swivel there. Got a little pattern on the back right there. Let's take this out of here. All right, you got a little soft felt area inside when you slide the phone in and out, so that's going to be protected. And then it slides, this is the bottom, this is the top right here. All right, so it slides in this way and goes down. And they do have this little clip here where you can make this into a kickstand if you want to. So we'll see how that works as well. But it's also got a kickstand in the on the case. Okay, now this is the case right here. You got the camera opening, and it's nice. It's not all closed up like some of the other ones. This one fits nicely and should complement the phone. And you got the raised area for the protection there. You see, you got the gaps in the corners. But this case does fit tight. I did try it on before I did this video. Here's the mic right there, and here's your opening for your charging port and your speakers. You don't have anything else on the back, and you got your kickstand right here, all right? And yeah, Encased branding right there. But the kickstand feels good and solid, all right? You hear that? Okay. Now let's get the device and put it inside and see what it looks like. Okay, here's the Pixel 6. Let's go ahead and put it inside the case and see how it looks. All right, so it snaps in there. It's pretty tight and snug, very slim. It's not as slippery as you might think with the matte finish, and the kickstand kind of gives you a reference point at the back to kind of hold, get some more grip on the device. All right, as you can see, now you're not going to have much lip protection on the front, so if you're a type of person that drops your phone a lot, you might want to be careful about this. Maybe get your screen protector. So not a lot of lip on the front, but I'm okay with that. This bottom comes up a little bit, but I still wouldn't trust putting this down on the table really, because I can feel it right now. It is slide on the glass. It's on the glass, all right? So no protection up front here. But the camera's protected, as you can see, and you got the kickstand right there, so the back won't be touching anything. You got an opening area for the power button and the up and down rocker, and everything lines up on the bottom right there. You can see that, and you got your mic hole right there. Now, so if you're looking for protection, this is not the case for you. Scratch protection, yeah, but not drop protection, not too much there, all right? But I like slim cases, so this is cool. Now, let's check out the kickstand here. See how that works, all right? So the kickstand works well. Now, it is angled pretty deep, but you can still watch things on the, you got one position there. You can't put it in two positions, all right? And it won't work in this portrait mode, so it won't stand up that way. Only one way to stand this up. It won't stand up on the back either. It's going to close, but you know, so it's kind of limited there, but otherwise it's pretty good. But I like the slim case. All right, now let's look at let's put it inside the holster. All right, so it slides in there pretty easily to me. You just push it up when you're ready to take it out. So it's going in and out pretty easily. Now, you're supposed to, I think you can put this in the other way, I think. Nope, it doesn't go in the other way. All right, so I'm not sure why. So you have this kickstand feature here. I guess you can set your phone in it, and if you want, and just kind of put it inside the little bottom clip right there, as you can see that I did right there, and then watch, you know, your phone that way too. You can do that, all right, to get a different angle. Okay. So so that's pretty cool right there. That the case is the holster is pretty versatile as well. All right. So you can use it in different ways, but you can't set it on the front like this. All right. Got to be facing front with when you put this back in. All right. So nice setup right there. Okay, here's the wireless charger. Just put it on. So I didn't get wireless charge right there. Okay, here's the wireless charger. Let's go ahead and put this on and see what happens. So it picked up wireless charge. You see that when I lay it down. Now let's see what happens when we stand it up. Now with the kickstand, it might be a little difficult to stand it up, but it did pick up wireless charge right there. All right, let's lay it down on the side. So it picked up wireless charge there as well. All right, so wireless charge works with the kickstand. Okay, so that was a quick look at the Encased Slimline case for the Pixel 6. All right, nice slim case, got a kickstand, built-in kickstand. It's really nice, kind of limited, but it does work. And you got a holster as well that comes with this also. Okay, so and it's got some functionality as well for viewing angles as well. All right, so I think it's a pretty good setup and worth the $15. Especially if you're looking for something slim that you like to have slim cases on your phone. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Now, if you got any questions, hit them in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ.